once again. This is Vignesh Pillai, your host and your friend. Dear friends, you must have all seen me in all my previous and my past videos talking about, creating a life full of abundance, full of wealth, luxuries, and leading life like a rich business tycoon. But today's video is gonna be a very, very special one because in today's video, I'll be not just sharing you a small and a lovely magical technique as to how you can create a beautiful future, but I can also help you out with clearing off all the issues which is troubling you at the moment and which is hampering you to lead a life of your dreams. Yes, my dear friends, today I was really blessed and fortunate to come across teachings of my dear spiritual guru, Dr. Ashish Narayankar. So, talking about him, we all speak, that we have gurus in our life who brings us from, the darkness of hell to the heights of heaven. Such is the role of my gurus. I call him my spiritual healer, my spiritual guru, from whom I got the opportunity chance to learn tarot card a few years back, which I refurbished my knowledge about it in the recent times as well. So today, while coming through his few of his teachings, I came across a really wonderful magical technique called as the Ho'oponopono meditation technique. Now, what is this entire thing about the Ho'oponopono meditation technique is basically, friends, we not just we, the entire even the entire modern and the medical science also believes in the concepts, philosophies of past life and karmas. We all have been together, living together, leading together. We all have different kinds of experiences with each other. We call it our souls from the past life as well, and we have been carrying it in our present life as well. We'll be carrying it forward in the future life as well. I would like to give you all an example. Just like when a baby is born, the umbilical cord, which is connected between the mom and the child, which is actually seen by our eyes, but there are actually such cords which keep souls like you and me or any one of you connected with different souls in various lives and past lives as well. For example, if you have had a soulmate or a very lovely companion in your past life, and you must have taken a birth in this life as well, there is a particular amount of karmic connection, a karmic cycle, or I would say an umbilical cord, which is keeping you both connected even though it's not visible with your naked eyes. So whatever the issues which we face in our lives, whether it's related to love, whether it's related to office, whether it's related to finance, it's all due to that cord which is invisibly connected amongst all of us, which is tied up with the past life karmas as well. So today I'm gonna share with you this special and magical Ho'oponopono meditation technique which worked for me, and I'm sure will work out for you as well. Now, what do you have to do in this Ho'oponopono meditation technique is basically you have to take down a paper, a pen, give yourself as much as time as possible. I personally gave myself an hour's time. You can also give yourself 2 minutes or 5 minutes of time. In this particular amount of time, what you have to do is take a paper and a pen, write down all the names of the people in your own life who you feel, the people who have hurted you. And first of all, it's very, very important to start the first name with your own self as well. Yes, my friends, we all have been really very harsh with ourselves. We all have been, very low as far as our self-esteem, self-motives are concerned. We have been selfish at times. We have even harmed others at times. So we have at times abused ourselves, whether it's, adopting wrong lifestyle, wrong behavior, wrong attitude towards the others. So it's basically important to first write down our name as to we have ourselves hurted us a lot, and write down as much as name, as much as your memories can go deep down into. Write down such names of people who you feel have hurted you. Now what you're gonna do once you have written down all the names, take as much as time as you want while writing down these names. Once you're done, sit silently with this piece of paper in your hand. Look down at each of the names which you have written and just affirm it loudly with your soul, your mind, and your body going into this affirmation. What are you gonna say? You're just gonna have a look at the name of one person at a time and you're gonna repeat it. I am sorry, please forgive me, I am thank you, I love you. You're gonna repeat these 4 sentences, 4 phrases for each and every name which you have written. And whatever these 4 phrases are, you'll say it with all your emotions into it. For example, if I have a friend called as Mohan, if you have a friend called as Mohan and you have written down his name as well, so you'll be like Mohan, you'll picturize him, you'll picturize Mohan for example, and you'll say it loudly. Sit alone in a room where you're not disturbed and something, and do this process. You'll sit down in a room, you'll say, hey Mohan. You'll just picturize how he looks and your past experience with him. You'll feel it and then you'll say, hey Mohan, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you, I love you. What happens when you do this, guys? There is a particular amount of energy shift happening within you. The cord which I was talking about, the umbilical cord, which is connected to all and within us, which is bounded by our karmic past life cycles and all. What do you do when you say sorry, please forgive me? You remove away the blockages and that karmic cycles and that cord, which is invisible to a naked eyes. You actually remove it off. And whenever there are some issues in your past with anyone related to anger or something, betrayal, it'll start getting removed from your life, my friends. You just gonna look at the individual's name in your list and you just gonna repeat, please forgive me, I am sorry, and thank you, I love you. Now, why are you asking forgiveness? Friends, it's said that whatever the relation or whatever the behavior of people or the souls among us which we have in our present life is all due to the reason which, the way we have behaved with them in our past life and their past life as well. For example, if you always tend to enter into a relationship in which you are betrayed, so it's just because that in your past life you were the ones who used to always betray others. So that's what now you're getting in return. So when you start practicing this Ho'oponopono meditation technique, what happens is when you write down that person's name in your list and you imagine him, you say him, please forgive me, I am sorry, and thank you, I love you. You release away those negative impressions which you had from your past life karmas as well, and the energy shift happens and the feeling of hatred and jealousy gets replacing by love and much more beautiful things. Now what are you gonna do? You have written down the names of the people. Okay, now you have done the Ho'oponopono technique by saying I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now what are you gonna do after that? Take your time for doing this process, and after 5 to 10 minutes go into your washroom or bathroom, literally tear off the paper, this paper in which you have written the list of the names of the people, just the names of the people, just tear it off, literally tear it off, okay, and burn it off. Do it in the washroom or in the toilet itself. Don't do it in any part of your home, please, just for your precautionary measure. Now what happens is, when you burn off this paper, when you tear off this paper and burn off this paper, you are letting go of the negative energies which has been related to you and that soul since the last past lives, and the energy shift starts happening. You'll automatically see the past experiences which you had with that particular individual or individuals related to betrayal, hatred, jealousy will now start getting replaced with lots of love, blessings, good wishes, good vibes. I have personally experienced this myself just half an hour back, my dear friends. I'm really gonna share you beautiful experiences of it. It was just 2 minutes since I completed with this Ho'oponopono meditation technique, and you won't believe, my dear friends, my Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp, my Instagram were all loaded with all the messages of my school friends and my college friends with whom I haven't even, had a word, exchange of words since years and months. Now, just imagine how magical this entire process is, my dear friends. Just try it and see. You'll start receiving messages from your friends, from your colleagues, from your family members or your friends or your ex-lovers. All of a sudden, you'll sit and wonder as to what have I done, for to make them come and reply back to me or have a word with me upfrontly. If you're going away for your interviews or for your job or your business dealings, I would personally recommend you, since my spiritual healer, my guru, Mr. Dr. Ashish Narayankar, has also personally said us to spread this word regarding this Ho'oponopono meditation technique, because it actually works. It worked for him. It worked for so many people. It personally worked for me as well. I'm really happy for the magic it has created in my life, and I'm really looking forward to meet lovely and happy individuals in my life. Thank you so much. Please do try this Ho'oponopono meditation technique, and remember to say it loudly, the 4 phrases, which is I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. With this message in mind, this is Vignesh Pillai, the Luxury Monk, signing off.